Every time I go to the Dollar Tree, I buy stuff I don't need. I actually already have one of these. This is the Corgi, I'm pretty sure. He won't look at me. I want the Pit Bull, the Dachshund, and the Border Collie, and maybe the Chiefs. Watch me get at least one double with my luck. Okay, first bag. This one has one tablet. And who is this? Oh, this is the Pit Bull, actually. They also come with stickers to decorate the house with. Like this, but I'm too lazy to do it right now. Oops. Ignore my dad downstairs, but anyways. Number 2. It's the Dachshund! Bro, what is this weird string of luck? Okay, last one. If this is like the Border Collie or the Shih Tzu, I'm gonna like scream. It's the Beagle. That's fine. I'm not very precise with stickers. A little too short, but okay. I'll put this window here. And it's crooked. Let's hope I don't miss horrendously. Perfect. And they're stackable. My Corgi is camera shy, apparently.